Hamid Karzai is one of Afghanistan's most recognized political leaders. He was born on December 24, 1957 in Kandahar. Karzai belonged to the Papazai tribe, a respected Pashtun family. His father was also involved in Afghan politics. From a young age, Karzai was interested in leadership. He grew up during time of major changes in Afghanistan. When the Soviet invasions happened, it deeply affected his life. Karzai joined political activities supporting Afghan resistance. He worked with different Mujahideen groups during the conflict. Over time, he became known for his diplomatic skills. He built a strong connection with international leaders. In the 1990s, Karzai opposed the Taliban regime. He tried to unite Afghan groups against Taliban control. After 9/11, global politics changed rapidly. The US intervention in Afghanistan began. Karzai was chosen to help shape a new Afghan government. In December 2001, he became the interim leader of Afghanistan. It was a difficult time for the country. Security was weak and the system was unstable. Karzai worked on building national administration. He tried to bring different ethnic groups together. In 2004, Afghanistan had its first presidential election. Karzai won and became the first elected president. His presidency focused on rebuilding Afghanistan. Schools and universities began reopening. Roads and infrastructure projects increased. International aid supported many development programs. However, challenges remained very serious. Corruption became a major issue in his government. Security problems continued across the country. The Taliban slowly started regaining power in rural areas. Despite this, Karzai pushed for peace and dialogue. He often called for Afghan unity. He encouraged rebel elders to participate in politics. Foreign relations were also a key part of his leadership. Karzai mentioned ties with the United States. He also strengthened relations with Pakistan. At the same time, he tried to keep Afghan independent. His speeches often highlighted Afghan sovereignty. In 2009, Karzai was re-elected president. His second term faced even together challenges. Civilian casualties became a major concern. Karzai became more vocal about foreign military actions. He demanded more respect for Afghan citizens. His leadership with the USM became complicated, but he continued working for political stability. In 2014, Karzai stepped down after completing his term. A new government was formed through elections. After leaving office, he stayed active in politics. Karzai often comments on national issues. He still supports
We
peace
must stand
negotiations
together in
and you
these
can
challenging
see him
times.
as an experienced elder statesman. His influence on Afghan politics remains strong. Hamid Karzai's journey reflects Afghanistan's modern history. From conflict to leadership, his life is full of key moments. He remains one of the most important figures in Afghanistan politics, and his voice continues to shape the country's future.